ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नानाच्छिद्रघटोदरस्थितमहादीपप्रभाभास्वरं ज्ञानं यस्य तु चक्षुरादिकरणद्वारा बहिस्पन्दते। जानामीति तमेव भान्तमनुभात्येतत्समस्तं जगत्। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। 27th Vartika we will read, we will chant. सुखमस्वाप्समित्येवं प्रबोधसमये पुमान् सच्चिदानन्दरूपं च सम्यगेव प्रकाशते। पुमान् सुखमहमस्वाप्सं सुखमस्वाप्सम इति एवं प्रबोध समये, when he wakes up then he says I slept very happily. Actually he is revealing Satchidananda Rupa alone. Satchidananda Rupam cha samyageva prakashate. So in this we had seen the Tika in the, up to the middle portion. In that the so that sukham is not agantuka sukha because there is no sadhanam. It is not vyapara uparama upashama because by the upashama nivritti of one, utpatti of another is not seen, and upashama is not known as sukha sadhanam. It is also not dukkha bhava, which is known by the word sukham, because its anubhava is there. So jnanam is required, and that anubhava sadhanam is different from dukkha bhava. It cannot be abhavatmaka, it has to be bhavatmaka. Then it was said this is only anumanam. In Sushupti there is dukkha bhava, it is only anumanam, it is not smaranam. So Siddhanti said, na cha idam vaktum yuktam. Why? Asmaryamanatvadehe vyabhicharat. So if somebody says that because that smaranam is not something that I am recollecting in the waking in the form of sukhamaham asvapsam, I am only inferring. So it is said that whatever we experience we recollect, and whatever we are not able to recollect does not mean we have not experienced. So yad yad अनुभूतम तद स्मर्यमाणम. It is not true all the time. whatever I have experienced, everything I will remember is not true. But whatever I am recollecting is definitely what I have experienced. So, asmaryamanatvadehe vyabhicharat. What is, so Purva Pakshi, what he is saying, that in Sushupti, dukkha abhava is anumanam. It is not smaranam. Vedanta is saying, if you are able to recollect, then it has to be anubhutam. It is not anumanam. And what is not experienced, that you will not recollect. But what is recollected is definitely something what is experienced. And then the other hetu was given, that anything that is to be inferred, it requires the samagri in the form of hetu, etc. So in Sushupti, where is that samagri? If you are doing anumanam, you will need the samagri in the form of hetu. So that is also not siddha. That is said, samagri abhavadehe cha asiddhehe iti. So asmaryamanatvadehe vyabhicharat, you have to read it this way. Asmaryamanatvat. Adi pada is there. So if it is asmaryamanatva, then there is vyabhichar in that. And if it is samagri abhava, that hetu asiddhi will be there. Samagri abhavadescha asiddhe. Asiddhe means that samagri abhavatva, that hetu will become asiddha for your anumanam, that saushupta dukkha bhava is anumanam. You will have to give hetu. Saushupta dukkha bhava anumanam. Our hetu is what? Samagri abhavat. So we have a good hetu that there is no samagri. Why? Because there is no hetu. For Purva Pakshi, hetu asiddhi will be there because there is no hetu. So asiddha hetu will be there. So therefore the sukham in Sushupti will be, sukham in Sushupti will be anubhuyamanam. It is my experience. Further now, iti vistrutam anyatra iti astam tavat. And now he says, this is elaborated elsewhere and therefore enough of it here, to establish that in Sushupti what is there is nothing but only Atma Sukham. Tasmad yatha avasthitam eva swarupam tada sukham. This Atma Sukham is yatha avasthitam. Yatha avasthitam means, as we said earlier, that is Swarupa Sukham, that holds true. Yatah nishkriyasya niranshasya chidatmanah shayanam gamanam va swapah prabodho va swato na sambhavati. Atah upadhikritam evaitat sarvamityupadhi upashama evasya swapo aswapsam iti. There, if you want, you put khandakar. Swapo aswapsam. Iti ullikhyate. Yatah, therefore, nishkriyasya niranshasya atmanah. Chaitanya Atma, which is actionless, partless. It's shayanam, sleeping, gamanam, going somewhere, swapaha prabodova, or sleep, waking, etc. swatah na sambhavati. So by itself it doesn't have any activity, shayanam, gamanam ityadi, or it doesn't have any avastha, jagrat, swapna, shushupti. Then atah upadikritam eva etat sarvam. All this is only upadikritam because of upadi. And upadhi upashama eva asya swapaha. When upadhi goes down is called atma sleeping. Atma doesn't. The best thing is actually the sleep, because in that pramata along with the chidabhasa has gone to sleep. So who am I? If I want to know, I can do vyatireka of pramata and chidabhasa in sushupti, and yet I remain. This is who I am. Upadhi upashama eva asya swapo aswapsam iti ullikhyate. This is referred in the form of aswapsam. I slept very well. Ataha sarvaswapi avasthasu satchidananda rupa eva ayam atma ityartha. Therefore, in all states, satchidananda rupa atma alone is present. It is proved. Evam varniterthe moola sangatim vishayadayati. Now, in this varnita artha, in what is already explained, what is the connection with moolam? See, from where did we go to where? Satta Sphurti topic was going on. Paramatma is Satta Swarupa, Sphurti Swarupa, because of which all the padarthas of Jagat are revealed. Then we went into Nadi, Chakra. Then based on the Nadi, the Avasthatraya, their experiences. So everything is discussed. Now going back to the initial topic. And tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. Janamiti tameva bhantam anubhati etat sarmastam jagat. That part is again connected. Itham jagat samavishya bhasamane maheshware suryadayopi bhasante किमुतान्ये घटादयः इत्थं जगत्समाविश्य भासमाने महेश्वरे सूर्यादयोऽपि भासन्ते किमुतान्ये घटादयः. Itham, in this way, महेश्वरे भासमाने जगत समाविश्य सूर्यादयोपि भासन्ते किमुत अन्य घटादयः. इत्थम, in this way, when Paramatma Maheshwara is bhasamana, Maheshware bhasamane sati, so tameva bhantam, that is there, anubhati sarvam, jagat samavishya, having entered the jagat, this Paramatma, when he is shining, suryadayopi bhasante, because satta is there of Paramatma and sphuranam also, so suryadayopi bhasante. What to talk of ghatadaya? Kimuta anya ghatadaya. Jagat karanam karyam cha अज्ञान तत्कार्य द्वयात्मकम अवस्थात्रयम मायया समाविश्य विश्व तैजस प्राज्ञ रूपेण वैश्वानर हिरण्यगर्भा अव्याकृत रूपेण च आध्यात्मिकम आदिदैविकम च भासमाने महेश्वरे सति सूर्यादयोपि सर्वार्थ प्रकाशकतया प्रकाश स्वभाव अपि भासन्ते न स्वमहिम्ना. सो जगत कारणम कार्यम च, परमात्मा विच इज जगत कारणम, कार्यम च अज्ञान तत्कार्यद्वयात्मकम अवस्था त्रयम. जगत कारणम इज अज्ञानम एंड कार्यम is sthula karyam, sukshma karyam, all of that, which is differently also experienced in the three avasthas, in Jagrat sthula karyam, Swapna sukshma karyam, and Sushupti karanam. Maya samavishya vishwa taijasa prajna rupena. Samavishya, so having entered, Paramatma alone has entered all this through Maya, and Vishwa Taijasa Prajna Rupena in the form of Vishwa Taijasa Prajna and Vaishwanara Hiranyagarbha Avyakrita means Ishvara, Adhyatmika and Adhidaivikam cha bhasamane Maheshware Sati. Paramatma alone is shining through the Adhyatmika Upadhi and Adhidaivika Upadhi. In three avastha gets three names. Bhasamane Maheshware Sati, when that shines in all these, then Suryadayopi bhasante. Suryadayaha sarvartha prakashakataya, prakasha svabhava. Those which are able to illumine all, sarvartha prakashaka. So this morning only, when we go for Aarti, not Jagadishwar Aarti, this Abhinava Chandreshwar Aarti, then at that time we see, in the sky. So today there was no rain, no clouds in the morning, and no moon also, Chandrama. So all these stars are early in the morning at 4:45 nicely shining, and Surya Dayopi bhasante. Surya is only one. There are so many of them whose lights are there, and some of them they are even not there now, but light is still coming. And the satta and sphuranam of all this is aham, Paramatma, Shuddha Chaitanya. What a wonder. And then, not remembering this, not paying attention to this, we get overwhelmed by, I have this problem in life, that problem, something or the other, or Yogakshema Chinta, what will happen, ityadi. So, Sarvartha Prakashakataya Prakasha Swabhava api bhasante. Na swamahimna. Suryadaya also, they are also not shining because of their own light. They are shining because of Atma Satta. Tatra aprakasha swabhavataya prasiddhanam ghatadi vishayanam kutah swabhava prakasha shanka ityartha. Then this aprakasha swabhavataya prasiddhanam, those which are aprakasha swarupa, ghatadi vishayas, they are very well known that they are jada, they are illumined by Atma Prakasha. In that, where is doubt? There is no doubt. If sun etc. also, they don't have their own light, which people assume that they have self-luminous, they are also not self-luminous. Then what to talk of Ghatadi? So, Atma Satta, Atma Sphuranam alone is there for everything. Tasmat, Ishvara eva satta sphuratte iti nishchiyete. Ishvara eva satta sphuratte iti nishchiyete. So, how we have to understand this Vakya? Ishvare, ईश्वर मीन्स ईश्वरे एव सत्ता स्फुरत्ते, सत्ता च स्फुरत्ता च इति सत्ता स्फुरत्ते, लाइक रमा रमे. सो प्रथमा द्विवचनम इति निश्चीयते, 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 निश्चीयन्ते. सो सत्ता स्फुरते इज द नाउन, निश्चीयते इज द क्रिया. तत्संपर्कादेव अन्यत्र, and by association with that alone अन्यत्र, अन्यत्र what? तत्संपर्कादेव अन्यत्र. तत्संपर्कादेव अन्यत्र सत्ता स्फुरते निश्चीयते. By that association alone, everywhere else also satta spuranam can be concluded that this is also Ishvara, belonging to Ishvara. So that samparka is their association. So the far, far, far reaching sun, not our sun of our solar system, some other star which is so far, if its jnanam is possible, then their satta is there. Yeah, that satta is my satta. And that sphuranam is there. Yes, that sphuranam is also Atma Sphuranam. Why? Because it has come in contact with Aham. This is said in Advait Makarandas. अभारूपस्य विश्वस्य भानं भासन निधेर विना कदाचिन्नाव कल्प्येत भाचाहम तेन सर्वगः. अभारूपस्य विश्वस्य, वर्ल्ड विच इज अभारूपम, अभारूपस्य विश्वस्य भासन्निधेर विना भानं कदाचित् न अवकल्प्येत. विदाउट द एसोसिएशन विच इज व्हाट इज सेड हियर, संपर्क, सन्निधि, without association with Chaitanyam, Bhanam kadachit na avakalpyata. You cannot imagine the Chaitanya there without coming in contact with some other Chaitanya. Then who is that other Chaitanya? He says, Bhacha aham. I am Chaitanya, that is sure. That means I am there also. Tena sarvagah, so I am all pervading. Iti etat siddham iti upasamharati. This is concluding. Tasmat satta cha bhavana mishvara shrayana shraya satyam jnanam anantancha श्रुत्या ब्रह्मोपदिश्यते. तस्मात् सत्ता च भावाना मीश्वराश्रयणाश्रय सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं च श्रुत्या ब्रह्मोपदिश्यते. तस्मात्, therefore, भावानां means पदार्थानां, विषयाणां, सत्ता च ईश्वर आश्रय, आश्रयण आश्रया, आश्रयण आश्रया, ईश्वरस्य आश्रयण तस्य आश्रया, ईश्वर आश्रय आश्रयण आश्रया, सत्ता, भावानां सत्ता. And satyam jnanam anantam cha brahma shrutya upadishyate. Chakarah sphurattam gamayati. Tasmat satta cha. Chakara is for sphurattam, because the previous vakya said satta spurati. So now here you have to add both satta spuratta. स्फुरताम गमयति. ईश्वरम आश्रयंत इति ईश्वराश्रयणाः. Those which are having Ishvara as their ashraya. Ishwaram ashrayanta Ishwarashrayanaha. Ishvara vyapta. Ishwarena vyapta. Ishwara vyapta means by Ishvara they are pervaded. आश्रयो यस्याः सा ईश्वराश्रयेण आश्रया. So pervading Ishvara is the that is the ashraya of all those padartha. Yasyaha sa Ishvarashrayana ashraya. Ishvara adhyastha vishaya ashraya. In Ishvara they are adhyastha because Ishvara is their ashraya. But ashraya shabda can be understood differently also. Ashraya ashrita bhava can be there, adhar adheya bhava. So to eliminate that notion, Acharya Tikakar has given adhyastha vishaya. Ishvaradhyastha vishaya ashraya. Na swarupa sad vishaya gata ityartha. Swarupa sat means they are not there by their own swarupa. Satta is also belonging to Ishvara. ईश्वरस्य स्वतः एव सत्ता ज्ञान स्वरूपत्वे प्रमाणम आह. And Ishvara has its own satta and sphuranam and not borrowed by something else. How do we say that? See, there is Shruti Pramana, Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Because Ishvara is Satyam, Ishvara is Jnanam and Anantam. Therefore, Ishvara is Brahma. And therefore, it has its own satta, sphuranam, etc. Satya jnana ananta shabdaihi brahmano lakshanam uktam. Satyam jnanam anantam brahma iti. By satya jnana ananta shabda. Lakshanam cha sajatiya vijatiya vyavartakam sat swarupa matra paryavasitam uchyate. What is lakshanam? See, the definition of lakshanam is given. Sajatiya vijatiya vyavartakam sat swarupa matra paryavasitam lakshanam. So in Tattvanusandhanam class I mentioned this, that lakshanam is that which eliminates sajatiya and vijatiya, and this exactly the same satyam jnanam anantam brahma was the lakshanam we were talking about, tatpada swarupa lakshanam, in the last class only. And the Visheshana Visheshya is talking about only elimination of Vijatiya, not Sajatiya. For example, Dravyatvam. In Prithvi there is Dravyatvam. In Jala also there is Dravyatvam. So Prithvi and Jala are Sajatiya. So if you say Lakshana of Prithvitvam as Dravyatvam, then there is Sajatiya possibility also. So that's why Sajati also you have to eliminate, not only Vijatiya. Yad ahur nayayikaha. So that's why Lakshanam cha Sajatiya Vijatiya Vyavartakam sat. That which removes Sajatiya as well as Vijatiya. And Swarupa Matra Paryavasitam. It should culminate in Swarupa Matra Paryavasitam Uchyate. Yad ahur nayayikaha. What Nayayikas say? Asadharano dharmo lakshanam iti. Lakshanam is asadharana dharma. Tatra yato va imani bhutani jayante ityadi vakyena brahmopalakshana dashayam jagat karanatvopalashitasya. So yadahu nayayikaha, nayayika, how do they define the lakshana? Asadharana dharma. That is their idea of lakshana. Now here, yato va imani bhutani jayante, this vakya is for tatastha lakshana of Brahma. Ityadi vakyena Brahma upalakshana dashayam jagat karanatva upalakshitasya vadi parikalpita pradhana parmanvadehe prasange jagat karanattvena Brahma sajatiyaha pradhanadaya pratyupasthapitaha vijatiyascha bhuta bhautika rupaha karyavargaha. If you just do lakshana of Brahma as yato va imani bhutani jayante, only if you give tatastha lakshana, then what is the problem? In pradhana there is Ativyapti. In Parmanu, there is Ativyapti. So what Sankhya says that Pradhanam is Jagat Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam, and you say what is Jagat Utpatti Sthiti Laya Karanam is called Brahma. So he says that that's very good. Pradhanam will be called Brahma. Nayayika will say Parmanu will be called Brahma. Why? Because that Lakshana goes there. So that is in Sajatiya. And in Vijatiya, how there is Ativyapti? In Bhuta Bhautika Rupa Karya Varga. So, any, like if you take Panchamahabhuta, so the Panchamahabhuta, they are the Utpatti Karana of other things. You are not saying, see, all that is said, Yatova Imani Bhutani Jayante. Right? There from where all these are. Oh. So, Panchamahabhuta also can be taken. Bhuta Bhautika Rupaha Karya Varga. Tebhya Ubhaya Vidha Rupebhya. In them, if there is Ativyapti, then what is the further dosha? They are Andrita, Jada, Parichinna Swabhavevyo. Swabhavebhyo. So they are Andrita, means Asatyam. Jada means Ajnanam. Parichinnam means not Anantam. Na Anantam. In them, the Lakshana will go. So, to eliminate Ubhaya Vidha Rupebhya Vyavritta, from Sajatiya and Vijatiya to do Vyavritti, Brahma Swarupa Bodhakam Vakyam, Satyam Jnanam Anantam. So, Satyam will eliminate Andrita, Jnanam will eliminate Jada, Anantam will eliminate Parichinna. Vakyam iti sthite Satya Jnane Satta Sphurana Rupe ब्रह्मण एव असाधारणौ धर्मौ. सत्य ज्ञाने सत्ता स्फुरण रूपे. सो सत्यम ज्ञानम दे आर सत्ता एंड स्फुरण रूप. ब्रह्मण एव असाधारणौ धर्मौ. दे आर दी असाधारण धर्म ऑफ ब्रह्म अलोन. सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम. सो सत्ता स्फुरणम. न अन्यस्य कस्यचित् इति. Not of anything else, iti nishchiyate iti abhipraya. This is firmly concluded. This is the abhipraya. So in Lakshana, not only this Ativyapti or Avyapti also should not be there, Asambhava also should not be there. So recently only in Tattvanusandhanam we have discussed all these things. एतत् श्रुति बलाद एतत् सिद्धम इत्याह. सो थ्रू दिस श्रुति सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम, दिस इज सिद्धम इत्याह. और अथवा श्रुत्या ब्रह्मणि सत्यतादि अवधारणात् अर्थ सिद्धम अर्थमाह. थ्रू दिस श्रुति सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म, ब्रह्मणि सत्यतादि अवधारणात्. इन ब्रह्म Satyam, Jnanam, etc. Avadharanam you can do, and therefore Artha Siddham Artha. What is obvious, what is clearly recognized, that is revealed now. Jagrat Swapnodbhavam Sarva Masatyam Jadamandhavat ईश्वरश्चाहमित्येवं भासते सर्वजन्तुषु. जाग्रत्स्वप्नोद्भवं सर्वमसत्यं जडमन्धवत् ईश्वरश्चाहमित्येवं भासते सर्वजन्तुषु. Jagrat Swapnodbhavam Sarvam. Anything that is born arising in Jagrat and Swapna, Sarvam Asatyam. Everything is Asatyam. And Jadam. Everything is Jada. Means doesn't have Satta, doesn't have Sphuranam. Andhavat. Andhavat, like Andha Shabda in Tika is given for Andha means like blind. But I don't want to translate it as blind. because we don't say blind as asatyam. So darkness you will have to take, but in the tika the way it is given, it is for blind only. We will see when it comes. Andhavat. Ishwarasya aham iti evam bhasate sarvajantushu. And aham iti evam sarvajantushu, every being, whatever, whoever expresses as aham, 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 Ishvara, Paramatma alone is expressing there. So when I say aham or you say or anybody else, of course dog, cats, monkeys, they don't say aham, but they know aham of themselves. That is Paramatma only expressing there. See in the Tika, Anumanam is given. Vimatam, Asatyam, Jadatvat, Mrigatrishnikadavat, Kodakavat. Vimatam means Jagrat Swapnodbhavam Sarvam. That is Vimatam. Asatyam, Anumanam is done. It is all Asatyam. Why? Jadatvat. Hetu is Jadatvam. Mrigatrishnika Udakavat. Like the water of mirage. Mrigatrishnika Udakam. So Mrigatrishnika Udaka is the Drashtanta. In Drashtanta, Hetu is there or not? Mrigatrishnika Udaka, is it Jadam or not? So we'll say that itself is not Siddham yet. You are taking it for granted that Drashtanta is Asiddham. Hetu in Drashtanta is not Siddham. If it is Siddham, then you can do that Drashtanta will have Sadhya. Then Mrigatrishnika Udaka will be Asatyam. So now next Anumanam is to do Jadatva Siddhi first. Vimatam Jadam. First he gave Jadatva as the Hetu. Now Jadatva is not Siddham. So now he says Vimatam Jadam. Or Jagat, whatever. Why? Paradhina Cheshtatvat. Because its activities are dependent. And wherever the activities are dependent is called Jada. Paradhina Cheshtatvat. And there he gives example Andhavat. And he gives another meaning Andhapanguvat. Like a blind or a lame person, handicapped person. So their activity is dependent activity. Paradhina Cheshta is there. So because there is Paradhina Cheshta, the Anumanam says Yatra Yatra Paradhina Cheshtatvam Tatra Tatra Jadatvam. So Andhavat, if you instead of Andhavat you can use Rathadishu in like chariot. So chariot is Jadam. It is Paradhina Cheshtatva. It has Paradhina Cheshtatva. Correct? Because if the horse is yoked to it or some camel or something, cow, then it moves. And therefore it is Jadam. Then you can use that Jadatvam in Mrigatrishnika, because Mrigatrishnika is also, Mrigatrishnika doesn't have Paradhina Cheshtatvam. Because Mrigatrishnika Udaka is only appearance. But you can always use Jadatvam because it doesn't have Swataha Chetanam. Therefore it is Jadatva. Because it is Jadam, therefore it is Asatyam. And therefore Jagrat Swapnodbhavam Sarvam Api asatyam. In this way you will have to put two anumana. Mrigatrishnika Udaka is not there at all. It is only appearance. So its jadatvam is because it is only appearance. Or you first use the second anumana to do jadatva siddhi, that everything is jadam. Jagrat swapnodbhavam sarvam jadam. So when it is siddham, then you can say if it is jadam, then jadatvad asatyam. Clear? Okay. I hope it is clear. Evam sarva jagat. So that's why I was saying that andhavat, so we don't consider blind people as jada or any handicapped person. Evam sarva jagad adhisthana rupataya. But you see, in Veda, they are not allowed to do any Vedic rituals. Andha, pangu, any body part, if it is damaged, you cannot do Vedic ritual. So, Shastra, sannyasa of course, but those who have not taken sannyasa, but if Sharira has some defect, so that's why they will consider, like that's why Sureshwaracharya must have considered him as Jada, because he is not capable of doing any karma. So you can't do any karma, literally. That's why. So you don't have those means to evolve. Evam sarva jagat adhisthana rupataya sarvanusyutasya ishwarasya sarva satta sphuratta atmatvam upapadya tasyaiva pratyagatmatvam purva shlokoktam upapadayati. Evam, in this way, sarva jagat adhisthana rupataya, Paramatma being the adhishthanam of entire jagat, sarva anusyutasya ishwarasya, of this Paramatma who is anusyuta in all, sarva satta sphuratta atmatvam upapadya. Satta and Sphuratta of all is nothing but belonging to Atma alone. Atmatma upapadya. Tasyaiva pratyagatmatvam purva shlokoktam upapadayati. So it's pratyagatmatvam, that Satta Sphuratta is nothing but belonging to Atma alone, which was said in the previous shloka, purva shlokoktam upapadayati. Its upapadanam is done. Ishwarasya aham. यो अहम इति सर्वजंतुषु भासते स ईश्वर एव इति योजना. In all beings, what is experienced as aham, aham, aham is Ishvara. That Ishvara means Brahma. That Brahma I am. So then everyone who says aham, that means I am there. I am expressing there. जागृत स्वप्न सुषुप्तिषु स्फुटतरा या संविदुजृंभते या ब्रह्मादि पिपीलिकांत तनुषु प्रोता जगत साक्षिणी सैवाहम. That I am. If Brahmaji says aham, yes, I am there. If Pipilika says aham, I am there. If a naughty monkey is there, he also is claiming aham, I am there also. And a Shant Brahmanishta Mahatma. In Upadesha Sahasri, there is one shloka. It says Brahmaji and Indra, there not only their aham I am, even their body is me. So they are all my bodies only. In Upadesha Sahasri, because I am not only Atma, I am Jagat also. My Vivarta is Jagat. So their body is part of Jagat. So I alone am their self, I alone am their body also. I am their mind, I am their sense organs, I am their buddhi. And I am Sarva Buddhi Prakashaka also. So whatever Jnanam takes place in any buddhi, That is also because of me. I am Sarvajna. In Upadesh Sahasri, all these things are given. It is continuously you have to dwell on this idea, I am Brahma alone. Sarvajantushu bhasate sa Ishvara eva iti yojana. Pratignatam artham upapadaitum ahankaram bhinatti. Now, this pratignatam artham, this aham, what is said, he is dividing into three now. Ahankaram bhinatti. Bheda means is showing bheda of ahankara. Nirvikalpascha shuddhascha malinaschethyaham tridha. Nirvikalpam param brahma nirdhutakhila kalpanam धूल्यंधकार धूमाभ्र निर्मुक्त गगनोपमं निर्विकल्पश्च शुद्धश्च मलिनश्चेत्यहं त्रिधा निर्विकल्पं परं ब्रह्म निर्धूताखिलकल्पनं धूल्यंधकार धूमाभ्र निर्मुक्त गगनोपमम. So aham tridha. Ahankara is threefold. Nirvikalpa, not ahankara. Aham is threefold. In Tika he has already given ahankaram, but you just say aham is threefold. Nirvikalpa, Shuddha and Malina. Of which in 31st, what is Nirvikalpa is explained. Nirvikalpam Param Brahma. So Brahma is also aham. It is Nirvikalpa aham. Nirdhuta akhila kalpanam. There where no kalpanas, means no vikalpas are there, that is Nirvikalpa aham Brahma. And dhuli, it is drishtanta is given, dhuli andhakara dhuma abra nirmukta gaganopamam. It is like space without dust, dhuli, without darkness, without smoke, without clouds. Dhuli andhakara dhuma abra nirmukta gaganam. Goswamiji says, Uma Rama Vishayak Asamoha Raja Tama Dhuma Dhuri Jimi Soha. See, all are given. Raja Tama Dhuma Dhuri. So there he has given Dhuri means Dhula, Tama Andhakara, Dhuma smoke, and instead of Abra he has given Raja, whatever Rajo Guna etc. they are. Raja Tama Dhuma Dhuri Jimi Soha. So free from all this, that space is Nirvikalpam. Tatra Nirvikalpa Nirvikalpo aham avabhasa Ishvara Vishaya. Nirvikalpa aham avabhasa of Ishvara Vishaya is explained in this shloka. Tika we will see from Brahmano Nirvikalpatvam Vishadayati tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.